Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through designing your very own custom clothing in Roblox from scratch. First, open your web browser, search for the official Roblox shirt template, and save the transparent image to your device. Next, open up any digital editing program like Photoshop, Canva, or Pixlr, and open that downloaded template file. The template is color-coded to represent the front, back, and sleeves of the torso, so you can easily overlay your custom colors, unique patterns, or cool graphic logos exactly where you want them to appear on the fabric. Once your design looks absolutely perfect, save the final file specifically as a PNG to preserve the necessary transparency. Now, head over to the Roblox website. Click on the Create tab to open your Creator dashboard, and navigate over to the Development Items section. Click on the Shirts tab, upload your newly saved PNG file, give your shirt an awesome name, and click Upload, keeping in mind it does cost a small fee of 10 Robux to publish it. Finally, if you want to make money from your creation, simply click on the shirt settings, go to the Sales tab, toggle Item for Sale to On, set your desired Robux price, and click Save. Your custom shirt is now officially ready for the entire Roblox marketplace to buy and wear. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.